Looking for an effortless way to boost your bank account? Well, the answer might be closer than you think. Ever considered turning your pet's antics into a passive income side hustle? Yes, you heard it right. Your furry friend's charm and charisma can be a goldmine. From hilarious dog and cat duels to heart-melting moments, there are countless ways to capitalize. So grab your camera and let's embark on this exciting journey. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of pet-based passive income and uncover the secrets to success in just 5 minutes. Have you ever caught your furry friend doing something hilariously adorable and thought, "I wish I could turn this into money"? Well, you're definitely not alone in that thought. The internet is bursting with pet content, from dogs playing piano to cats knocking things off tables. These delightful antics are not just entertaining, they're also potential gold mines. The popularity of pet content online is staggering. Every day, millions of people around the world are scrolling through social media, liking, sharing, and commenting on videos and pictures of pets. Your pet's endearing shenanigans could be the next viral sensation. Think about it. The mischievous cat that loves to unroll toilet paper, the dog that howls along to your favorite songs, or even the bird that dances to beats. These are the everyday antics that can win the hearts of viewers worldwide. From playful puppy zoomies to sassy cat shenanigans, there's no shortage of content opportunities waiting to be captured on camera. With the power of social media at your fingertips, reaching a wide audience has never been easier. Let's take a moment to appreciate the magic of these platforms. They're not just about sharing selfies or swapping recipes. They're about connecting with people across the globe who share your love for all things furry and four-legged. Consider YouTube, the video sharing titan. It's an avenue to broadcast your pet's cutest, funniest, most heartwarming moments. Whether it's a kitten's first steps or a dog's hilarious reaction to a new toy, these are the moments that make viewers laugh, cry, and hit that subscribe button. Then there's Instagram, the visual powerhouse. It's all about stunning photos and catchy captions. A perfectly timed snap of your cat mid-yawn or your dog with a face full of mud. That's the stuff that racks up the likes and comments. And let's not forget TikTok, the short-form video sensation. Its addictive, bite-sized content is perfect for showcasing your pet's quirkiest traits. A 10-second clip of your parrot dancing to a pop tune? Instant viral material. These platforms are more than just virtual stages. They are springboards to stardom for your pet, gateways to a community of pet lovers, and yes, pathways to potential profit. So, grab your smartphone, get creative, and start sharing your pet's antics with the world. Harness the power of social media and turn those likes, shares, and comments into a thriving side hustle. Just imagine the possibilities. But here's the kicker: monetization. This is where your pet's antics transform from pure entertainment into a source of passive income. The key is in the strategy. Firstly, ads. Platforms like YouTube allow creators to earn revenue from advertisements displayed on their videos. The more views your pet's video gets, the more ad revenue you generate. Next, sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for unique and engaging content to associate with. Your pet could be the next furry influencer, promoting pet products in exchange for a fee. Lastly, partnerships. Collaborate with other pet content creators or pet-related businesses. This could be in the form of cross-promotions or affiliate marketing, both of which can lead to a steady stream of income. The possibilities are endless when it comes to monetizing your pet's charm and charisma. By leveraging platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, you can turn those precious pet moments into cold, hard cash with minimal effort. So what are you waiting for? The time to embark on this Pawsome adventure is now. Just think of all the heartwarming, hilarious, or downright adorable moments your pets provide on a daily basis. Each of these moments is a golden opportunity, a tiny nugget of joy that has the potential to put some extra jingle in your pocket. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single click of a camera button. Start capturing those special moments. Share them with the world. Let the charm and charisma of your furball friends work their magic. The world is waiting to fall in love with your pets and their antics. So don't hesitate. Embrace this opportunity Unleash the potential of your furry friends. Let them be the stars they were born to be, and watch as the easy, passive income begins to flow. Grab your camera, gather your furry friends, and let's turn those adorable antics into a profitable side hustle.